In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear parking assist sensors on this BMW X5. These are going to be located in the rear bumper. Let's get into it. You can see the sensor right here. These are the ones in the middle. They're pretty easy to access. I'm just going to use a pick. Grab the clip. It's just a little lock tab. I'm going to pull that out. Just like that, and you should be able to push down on it, disconnect the connector. Then while you're pushing on the sensor from the front, there's two little clips, one at the base and one at the top. You can move those with your finger and pull the sensor right up. Take the new sensor, line that up, lock it in place, take the connector, line the connector up, push that down, and then push down on the lock. And you can do this other sensors the same way.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.